For this activity, we're going to have a little bit of fun with the idea of a baby book. And if you've never seen a baby book, these are books that when you have a baby, or you might have one from when you were little, that you record all of the baby's first in life. So I wanted to recreate that a little bit and find out some of your firsts, but of course to find them out in Spanish. So all of these have to be in the preterite because they're all things that happened one time. I was born, I weighed, I measured, I lived, and then the first time that you did all of these actions. So you might have to go ahead and either look for your baby book or ask your mom and dad, and that's completely fine because I would love for you to find out when these things happened. And if you can, to get some additional details about that you could possibly write a little bit of a story in the preterite tense. So I'm going to do mine as an example for you. So here's my page and it's all filled out. Nací el 8 de febrero de 1989 en los Estados Unidos. I was a big baby. Pesé 9 libras. I'm underlining which one I'm using, either libras or kilograms. Medí 20 pulgadas. Viví en Pennsylvania con mi madre, padre y 2 hermanos. And then I went and got my baby book to find out about these. A los 2 meses sonríe. A los 3 meses me reí. A los 4 meses me senté. A los 3 meses me giré. A las 5 meses comí. A las 8 meses gateé. A las 10 meses me paré. A las 14 meses hablé. A las 16 meses caminé. A los 24 meses corrí. And I did manage to get one story from my parents, and that was about the first time I spoke. So I'm going to use that story to embellish a little bit. Hablé, I spoke, por la primera vez. I'm taking this right from over here in the title. A los 14 meses. Mi primera palabra fue papá. According to my mother. I'm using fue here, which is irregular, was, but this is definitely one that you want to remember because it's going to be so common. It's coming from the verb ser. So anything that you could say with s in the present tense, you're going to be able to use fue in the past tense. And that's the story that she tells me all the time, is that my first word was daddy instead of mommy. So I'm going to ask you to go ahead and fill yours out and to see if you can get some more details about one of the events and to write a little bit about it.